Open your web browser, download Steam from the official website, run the installer, complete the installation process, launch Steam. Create or sign in to your Steam account. Open Steam, click Sign In if you already have an account. Choose Create a Free Account if you are new. Verify your email address, log into Steam. 3. Search for Drift86. Click the Store tab. Use the search bar at the top, type Drift86. Open the game store page. Number 4. Check the free-to-keep promotion. Verify that the promotion is still active. Confirm the offer expiration date on the store page. Ensure the game shows Add to Account or Get for Free. 5. Add Drift86 to your Steam library. Click Add to Account or Get. Wait for Steam to process the request. Confirm the game appears in your library. The game is now permanently linked to your account if claimed during the promotion. Number 6. Start the installation. Go to your library. Select Drift86. Click Install. Choose an installation location. Click Next and start downloading. 7. Ensure enough storage space. Check available disk space. Free up storage if necessary. Make sure the selected drive has enough room. Resume the installation. 8. Verify download files if installation fails. Right-click Drift86 in Steam, select Properties, open installed files, click Verify integrity of game files. Wait for Steam to repair any missing files. 9. Update Steam and Windows. Install any Steam client updates. Open Windows Update. Install pending updates. Restart your PC. Launch Steam again. 10. Launch Drift86, open Steam library, select Drift86, click Play, allow any first-time setup to complete, start playing the game. Hashtag bonus fix. If download is stuck, pause the download, exit Steam completely, restart your PC, launch Steam as administrator, resume the download, check if the installation continues normally. These steps will help you successfully claim, download, install, and launch Drift86 through Steam during its free-to-keep promotion.